Hello viewers, I am Roshmi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my 45th episode. Today I will show you purely puja collections. Let's start. This is sari number 1, Bangalore silk. Material is Bangalore silk katha. This is palla, aanchal portion. It will come in the aanchal, katha stitch with red and brown combination. This is batik katha on Bangalore silk. This is the body. Body color is tomato red. The color of the sari is tomato red. This will come in the pleats. This design will come in the pleats. This is entirely pleats portion, and the blouse piece is also brown. This is the blouse piece. Blouse piece is also brown, and the price of this sari is 6,500. See, this is the look of the sari. This is aanchal portion and this is the base color. Price is, the price of this sari is 6,800. 6,800, sari number 1, material is Bangalore silk, pure Bangalore silk with silk mark certification. Katha stitch on Bangalore silk, batik katha. Number 2, sari number 2 is also batik katha. This is the price of this sari is 6,500. This is palla portion, aanchal portion. It will come in the aanchal. This is palla. Entire sari is like this. With the base color is yellow with crack, and this is the border. Border will come like this way. This is the border portion. Entire sari is with border and crack. The color is yellow, and the blouse piece is, this is the blouse piece. This is also brown, and the price is again 6,500. Sari number 2, pure Bangalore silk, silk mark certified. Sari number 3, another one. This is also batik katha. This is the palla portion, aanchal portion. This is also brown. This is also brown, and the base color is deep peach. The base color is deep peach. This is also border. There is also border, triangle border is there. This is the border portion. Entire sari is with this border and crack. The color is deep peach. The color is deep peach, and the blouse piece is also brown. Price is 6,500. The material is Bangalore silk, silk mark certified. Viewers, if you like the program, share with your friends, subscribe, and please press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. This is another batik katha. Price is again 6,500. See, this is aanchal portion. It will come in the aanchal. This is the body. Brown color, biscuit color, you can say biscuit color. This is the border. Half sari with this block. This is not batik, this is block actually. And the half sari is like this. Border will be there, half and half. And this is the blouse piece. Price again 6,500, and the material is all are Bangalore silk with silk mark certification. Next one, this is also katha, sari number 5, and the price is 6,500. The color, this material is also Bangalore silk, black with blue and golden thread. These all are thread, pure Bangalore silk. Price 6,500, and the entire sari is like this with buta and lower border, both side border with buta. Color is black with turquoise blue. black with turquoise blue. This is the look of the sari. Price is again 6,500. Material is pure Bangalore silk. For booking, call or WhatsApp 9330866384. This is another kantha. This is also Bangalore silk. This is also Bangalore silk. This is Palla portion. And the price is 6,800. This is the body. Color is maroon. This is the body. I will show you. The sari will be like this. The work will be like this, and this is Palla. Entire sari with the same volume of work. The entire sari is with the same volume of work, and the price is 6,800. This is the blouse piece. This portion will come in the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Okay. Color is maroon and the price is 6,800. Next one is a Tasar Kantha. The price is 8,500. This is Tasar. Material is pure Tasar, Gachi Tasar. Color is pink, onion pink. And see the work. I will show you this sari. See the work. Price is 8,500. This is pure Gachi Tasar. The half sari is with this volume of work, and the rest half with the border. And the rest half with the border, I think you can understand the color. The color is onion pink. Very sweet color. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Price is 8,500. So it will be the look. Next one is also another Tasar Kantha. This is also dyed. Work is more or less same, but the combination is different. See, this is the look. This is Pallu portion. Nachal, it will come in the Achal. Sari is like this with red dye, and the work has been done with the blue thread. This is a corner to corner design. Corner to corner design. So it will cover the entire sari. And this is the blouse piece. I will show you. The look of the sari will be like this. This is the look. Price is 8,500. All the silk and tassars are silk mark certified. Now viewers, I will show you some Gadwal. This is sari number 9. Sari number 9, and the price is 6,200. See, this is Pallu portion. Pallu is Rani color. Plain Rani color. And this is the body. This is the body color. Body is a short color. This is pure material silk Gadwal, and the color is green blue combination. The entire sari is same. Entire sari is same, and the blouse is also running. This sari is only with the border. Temple is there with the temple border, and this is the blouse piece. Rani color is the blouse piece. So the price of this sari is 6,200. Only 6,200. It is silk Gadwal. Next one is green with Rani combination, but checks are there in the body. Checks are there, and it got a zari pallu. See, This is the pallu portion. Zari is there, zari stripes are there. This will be the look. Checks. There are small checks with this pink rani color. This is the border, and this is the lower border. Lower border is wider. That's why I am showing you. This is sari number 10 and the price is 6,800. I think it is 6,800. And the entire sari with this checks, and the blouse piece is again running, and this is the blouse piece. Sari will be like this. This is sari number 9. Now this is yellow blue combination. Palla portion, royal blue with yellow combination, pure silk gadwal. The body is, this is the body, yellow color with both side royal blue border and buta. See, this will be the look, and the price is 8,500. See, this is the look of the sari. This is palla. Entire sari is with this border and buta, and the blouse piece is naturally royal blue. The blouse piece, the color of the blouse piece is royal blue. Price is 8,500. These all are silk gadwal, pure silk gadwal. This is the blouse piece. See, price 8,500. And the last gadwal, it is grey and black combination. See, this is the palla. It will come in the palla portion. Aanchal is like this. Both side Ganga Jamuna borders are there. Upper border is with green and the lower border is with black. See, this is the look of the sari. This is lower border. This is lower border, and the price is 8,800. Price is 8,800. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. This is the blouse piece. Blouse piece is black. Price is 8,800. Now I will show you some printed silk. Sari number 13. This is sari number 13, printed silk, yellow color. All the silks are silk mark certified. See, this is palla portion, and the body is like this. This is the sari. This is the sari. Price is, as you know, 3,550 is the original price, but the discounted price is 3,400. And this is the blouse piece. Rani color is the blouse piece. The entire sari is yellow. Discounted price is 3,400. All the silks are silk mark certified. Next one, sari number 14. Sari number 14, this is palla. Aanchal, it will come in the aanchal. Blue and green combination. This is gun spray has been done in this sari with two shades of blue and grey. You can see there are two shades of blue and grey, and then discharge print. The entire sari is like this, and the blouse piece of this sari is royal blue. Price 3,400. 3,400 is the discounted price. All the silks and are silk mark certified. For booking, call or WhatsApp 9330866 384. This is the palla portion. This is palla portion. Both side black border is there. And the color of this saree is yellow green combination. This is a very sweet color with the butta and both side border. And the blouse piece is printed. See, this is the blouse piece. Price 3400. And the color of the saree is saree number 16. Saree number 16. This is the palla portion. Achal portion is this, and the entire saree with gun spray and discharge print. You can see the saree. Show. See, this is the look of the saree. This is the saree with gun spray and discharge print. Very sweet colors are there. All are light color shades. And the blouse piece is peach, light peach. This is the blouse piece. For booking, please take a screenshot and send it to me to my WhatsApp number. Otherwise, just note down the saree number. This is palla. My WhatsApp number is 9330866384. This is black and red combination, most unique and common combination, but people like it. See, this is the look. Price again 3400, and all the silks are silk mark certified. But the blouse piece is very interesting of this saree, not the typical black one. See. This is the blouse piece of the saree, printed one. Price is 3400. Saree number 18. This is Rani color. This is the palla portion. Rani color, palla portion with white discharge print. See, this is the look. It will be like this. The entire saree is like this, very traditional silk print, and the blouse is also running. This is the blouse piece. Price is again 3400. Saree number 19. This is palla. It will come in the palla grey with blue print, grey blue combination. This is the entire saree. This is the entire saree. Base color is turquoise blue with grey color discharge print. Entire saree is like this, and the blouse piece is also grey. The price is 3400. Price is 3400. 3400 is the discounted price. Saree number 20. This is also grey combination, grey with sea green. This is not blue, this is sea green. I don't know whether the color is coming perfectly or not, but I can mention you this is sea green with grey combination, and the body is with gun spray. See, this is the body. This is the body. Entire saree is like this, and the blouse piece of this saree is grey. The price is 3400. Price is again 34. This is the blouse piece. Price is again 3400. Saree number 21. This is also a soft color. This is the palla portion. Palla portion is this, and the entire body with this small buta. With this small buta. This is also a shade of yellow, but not ochre yellow or mustard yellow, light yellow you can say. Price is 3400, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 22. This is the last sari of today's episode. Palla portion. This is purple with discharge print, and the body is like this. Both side borders are there. This is the look of the sari. This is palla, and the blouse piece is, this is blouse piece, purple color with grey border. This is the blouse piece. Okay, again the price is 3400. All the silk are silk mark certified. Viewers, if you like the show, please share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the next episode. My phone number 9330866384 and my address is 75 Hindustan Park. We deliver pan India through courier after taking the advance payment. So you can contact me on my number 9330866384.